Hadin ba katu kat ningut ki Kyrtong kila dep ban tep Kyrtong kila Pynpaw ke Skhem ban job ha ka election ke Banwan. U National Vice President ke NPP uba Preston Tinsong ulakam baka seng jong u kan job da ka basuk. Uba Martel and Mukim ulaong bakani kalong kajing persyang ban penthamai biang ka seng jong u. Katba uba Arden Mela basayong moit ulaong baka seng klaturai shitom ban pensting ya kipat ba halor kajing donkam ban wanra ya kajing kela da kajing kermen baka seng VPP kan wan hakabor barkan wanra ya kajing kela habaro kiliang.
Formation of the voice of the people is because of the failure of all the core parties, especially the regional parties. The regional parties, they don't have a backbone to stand on their own principle. Their interest is to win election and be in the government and be in power.
I could see the mandate of the people and the movement, the mass movement that has taken place. Every meeting that we have is in our favor. So I'm very sure on the 2nd of March, we will be able to cross the required number, means we will cross the bridge and we will also run the government on our own.
I don't have any doubt about that, and I do feel that not only Shillong North, and I do feel that people across the KHASI Jaintia, they will choose our VPP, our party, Voice of People Party, because we have experienced the past 50 years we cannot achieve or we cannot fulfill the aspiration of the people. So through clean politics, we are very sure to achieve the goal.